Hey Kipsters, like I mentioned yesterday, I am going to be out today. And today I am going to be teaching you two things. One, what should you do when I am out, right? And two, what we're going to be doing today, which is using a new application called Kami. And so even though I am going to be out, just like in regular school, you still have work to do, okay? And so what we are going to be doing is called an asynchronous lesson, meaning you are going to be doing the work independently and I will be checking it later. So what should you do when I'm gone? The first thing that you should do is always check your Google Classroom, okay? Always check your Google Classroom first. The second thing you're going to want to do is check the class stream, right? This is where I would make the announcement that I was going to be off, okay? And any updates for that day. The next thing that you're going to want to check is your classroom work tab, okay? This is where you're going to find the assignment for today, okay? And anything else that you need for the lesson. So what you're going to do next is you are going to do your do now, which is a collaborate board. And what's cool is that you will still be able to still see what your other teammates are saying on the collaborate board, even though I'm not here. Once you're done, you are going to then watch another video where I explain why it is important to annotate and introduce the new application, Kami, that we'll be using today. Hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in a little bit.